My name is Artem Belinsky and I'm the CEO of Rapidia. Our goal at Rapidia is to make manufacturing of metal parts accessible to anyone, anywhere. We've developed a metal 3D printer that is the fastest, safest, and most affordable offering on the market today. Making metal parts today requires large capital investment, has long lead times, and needs highly skilled operators. Rapidia makes a metal 3D printer that is very fast to use, giving you parts next day, requires no additional facilities, and it's very easy to learn, such that you can install it in a university as such, and have students printing on it within a few hours.
My name's Adam Clare. I'm a professor of manufacturing engineering here at the University of British Columbia. So the big problem that we have in 3D printing and additive manufacturing is that material integrity isn't as good as we want it to be. We want materials that have all of the properties of materials produced in a conventional sense. So we'd like to overcome those shortfalls with our innovation. We know that when we work with industry, we're solving a problem that is needed. This is not a flight of fancy. This is not us exploring something for the sake of exploring it. This is us tackling a problem that industry can't do on its own. So we're adding value, and I think that's a key part of what universities do.
The great thing about an academic partner is that they have a very deep understanding of the science behind the technology we're developing, as well as a full complement of testing equipment to really confirm the capabilities. So what the Ignite funding is doing is it is helping us develop new materials for our printers to open up even more market opportunities. In British Columbia, we are seeking for our 3D printers to be installed in all educational institutions, such that the next generation of engineers is well versed in digital manufacturing.